In this video, I am going to show you how to create view and procedure in SQL Server database using Java in Android Studio. In the last video, we know that how to create new database and how to create tables in SQL Server. First, add a button here for creating view and add one more button for store procedure. Now select the create view buttons and add a on click function in main activity and select the create procedure and add a function here create pro. Now first open the connection class and modify this. Now open the main activity and give the database name here. So give the name my data and copy this executor service and paste here. First set the connection class db. So database name here connection class dot db is equal database name and database name is my data and now is equal connection class dot con and pass the condition here. If con is equal null, then str error, else create a view. This is the create view query, create view, and this is view name and as select all from employee. This is the all record. Select all record from the employee and now statement dot execute update query and str string is equal view dot create view create successfully. Now same way we can create the store procedure and this is our query for store procedure. So create procedure and this is our name of the store procedure PR customer as select from the customers and finally post the message procedure created successfully. First open the SQL Server Management Studio and connect and see the databases. Now run the app and our app is running successfully. connected with SQL Server. Now create on now click on create database, and database created successfully, and refresh this database folder, and our database is this my data, but there are no tables here. So click on tables, and our tables created successfully. Now check on our SSMS and refresh the table folders, and our three tables created successfully here. Now click on create view, and our views created successfully. Now check the views, and here are our views. Right click here and refresh, and our views dvo.emp created successfully. Now click on create store procedure, click here, and messages procedure created successfully. Now check, and click on programmability and stored procedures, and click on refresh, and this is our store procedure dbo.pr customer. So we have created successfully database and their elements, tables, views, and store procedure. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.